Need to replace your Dodge Durango key fob battery? This video shows you how to easily replace the battery in 2014-2024 models. Doing it yourself will save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. The whole process will only take 5 to 10 minutes. Most 2014-2024 Dodge Durango key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. While the fob design varies slightly over the years, the battery type remains consistent. Check your owner's manual or open the fob to confirm if unsure. For this DIY project, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob. Have a new CR2032 battery ready, and optionally a small Phillips screwdriver for internal clips in some models. Always work on a non-conductive surface. Locate the small notch or seam on the side of your key fob, usually near the keyring. Insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch and gently pop open the housing. Be careful not to scratch the plastic or damage any rubber gaskets. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's oriented correctly with the plus side facing up. Make sure the battery is securely in place. Now for reassembling the key fob. Carefully snap the housing halves back together, ensuring all edges are perfectly aligned for a secure fit. Make sure the housing is securely closed, but avoid over-tightening to prevent cracking the plastic. Proper reassembly ensures the key fob functions correctly and maintains its water-resistant seal. Test the key fob by pressing each button. Start with the lock button and confirm the LED lights illuminate. Then press unlock, panic, and remote start if equipped. Verify that your Durango responds to each command. If the fob doesn't work, proceed to the reprogramming section. If your key fob doesn't work after a battery replacement, you may need to reprogram it. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on-run position 10 times within 15 seconds. Then hold the unlock button. If issues persist, consult your vehicle's manual or a professional.